I just want to show a case I printed for my Sega Nomad. This is just a prototype. Had to manually cut this to make it shorter. So here it is. This is specifically for my Nomad, so here we go. Some game holder and some Canon battery holders. If you don't know, that's because I made an adapter to run mine off of Canon batteries. Then the Sega Nomad right here. Underneath it fits my adapter. This is an adapter that allows Canon batteries to be played on a Sega Nomad. This is also a very cut prototype. I could have printed this out like one piece, but instead it's like 6. Not 6 actually. Slides in there, and then Nomad slides on top. Felt lined. Very, very snug fit. No moving at all inside of it. And Canon batteries right there. I love the Sega Nomad so much. I'm going to do another quick video of it playing. This game looks really good on the Nomad. By the way, this is an OG screen, actually. It looks phenomenal. There it is. Comic Zone. Anybody actually know the code? I don't know how hard this is.